Okay, let's start to prepare for this coming week, 2nd February to 6th February. So, what we take a look at the forest factory. What is the major news for this coming week? Okay, Tuesday is maybe Aussie, they call cash rate. So, it's a Aussie 200 can be trade after this news release. So, this maybe Tuesday during the London session onwards. Aussie can be tradable. Okay, so this is for Aussie. Need to be take careful for this for okay. So pound. If let's say UK 100, UK 100 Thursday got bank rate. So it's this is for UK 100. So UK 100 can be trade. Let's say it's a Monday, Tuesday. Maybe it's a Wednesday. Have to be don't touch on the UK 100 after finish this news. So it's probably it's a Friday. Okay, then the Friday for US non-farm is the Friday. So non-farm employment change USD is Friday, so it's probably for S&P 500 and Nasdaq have to be careful on the Thursday. It's probably don't trade on the Thursday. Okay, let's take a look at the chart. Okay, start with S&P 500. Okay, S&P 500. You can take a look at the currently the market is 4-hour rejection high and the daily rejection low. So in between these two level. Okay, so it's my first buy zone is only from the market break above this 4-hour rejection high. So this is for buy. For sell is break below this daily rejection low. So this is for my sell option. Okay, take a look at the Nasdaq. Okay, so Nasdaq is for Nasdaq we can take a look. It's a possible zone is okay for buy side. Actually, I have a two zone because above this 4-hour rejection high to this daily rejection high. So this zone is tradable, but probably is the mid probability, the average. This one may be high probability. After this daily rejection high is break, then easily can go up to all-time high. This is for buy zone. For sell option I'm looking monitoring for this low, this swing low. Because if let's say Monday, Tuesday, how is if let's say market really crash to going down, if let's say market close below this low, so it's probably this zone is a fast sell zone, is the mid probability. Then if really break below this daily swing, this is a daily swing. So this daily swing to this weekly swing is quite high probability. It's really market break below this daily swing is a higher chance that market will be direction is clearly going down to this weekly swing. Okay, so take a look the Aussie 200. Okay, for Aussie 200 is also I define as two zone each. So because recently the Friday they have got created at a newly 4-hour gap. So now need to be monitor this gap how is react on Monday or Tuesday because Tuesday we got the Aussie cash rate news. So how it should react. So this zone is important because market can be directly go to daily swing and break to this zone or maybe react to go back to this 4-hour gap then come down. So it's a few options. So let's say market really don't respect this 4-hour gap and close above this 4-hour rejection high. So this zone is clearly is good to buy. Then second buy zone is this one. After this is a weekly rejection high. So weekly rejection high to autumn high is the highest probability zone. So it's really market react to this zone is high probability. Same for the sell option. For the sell option is a fast zone. It's a this daily swing to daily swing, but the zone is quite small. If let's say already enter into this trade, so have to be careful because here's maybe some rejection. So it's a good is if really can wait until the candle close in this zone is a higher probability for sell side. This is this zone. Okay, take a look. UK 100. Okay, UK 100 is consider is stay ranging. You can see the daily chart. See daily chart. This is a recent swing from this higher high to higher low. Then higher low to coming up. Here got sweep. Then also from here to here, all those day right, there no gap at all. So it's really market is no intention to go up. So have to be careful because it's the showing the ranging. So that's why here go I don't have set up for the buy zone. I don't have it. It's really market. It can be Monday open straight away go to all-time high. They have to be stay sideline because if normally I don't trade anything, it really reach to all-time high. Okay, let's say market cannot go up, come down is a sell option. But here go already sweep one time. So it's really market come back, then close this zone, and then clearly sign that this is a good opportunity for sell. So another sell is a break below this weekly rejection low. This is for monthly gap is here. So this is also another zone for sell. Okay, so this is for indices. Let's go quickly go to the Go and Saver. Actually, Go and Saver. Friday is really Thursday and Friday is really big. Okay, this is a go. It's a big crash. Okay, so it's a market is crash. So actually I waiting for this but never coming back. Okay, so recently market is in between of 4-hour gap, daily gap and weekly gap. So this is for bullish to bullish zone and here got the bearish zone. So far I only can mark out this zone for the buy because it's market can be react to this 4-hour gap and did not respect this 4-hour gap and straight continue go up. This is also one option possible, or market will be reaction to the 4-hour gap and sell it be going down to this zone. So here daily gap and weekly gap have to be very careful and monitor. What can happen is can be bouncing back, come to this gap and then bounce back. So this is to be monitoring these two gap this week very carefully. Okay, move on to silver. Same thing. Silver also crash. So here is the same thing for same like go forward gap to gap. Market is in between this daily rejection low and this forward gap. So market can be reaction to the forward gap or break this forward gap and going move to the next zone of this forward gap. Or second sell option is market reaction, then reject from this forward bearish gap, then go to daily rejection low. So right now I don't have any zone to disable. So probably I will be trade indices for this coming week. Okay, that's all for this week.